Hey, it's Kristen from Kristen Jones Coaching, and I want to talk to you. If you are a person who is struggling to maybe lose some weight and are finding that you're hungry all the time, I really want to talk to you about not hunger, but I want to talk to you about your feelings. So, what I want to talk about today is not being afraid to feel our feelings. And the feeling that I want you to not be afraid of is hunger. I think so many people have gotten this, we're so afraid of feeling hunger because we're not in touch with our emotions in general, and we're not in touch with our feelings, as you know, not only our emotional feelings but our physical feelings in our bodies. And so what I really challenge everyone to think about is, are you afraid of feeling hungry? Does it strike something else in you? Does it make you feel anything other than hunger? Does it make you feel an emotional feeling? Do you have a feeling that comes up emotionally for you when you get hungry? Do you feel deprived? Do you feel abandoned? Do you feel alone? Do you feel like nobody cares about you because you're hungry? So think about that, because that could really be something that could really dramatically impact your ability to be able to lose weight. Because if you're afraid of feeling hungry, you're always you get to that feeling and it means something else to you. It's not about your stomach growling. It means something else. It has an emotional component for you. You need to really think about and figure out what that is. So what I'm going to do is I want to challenge you to take hunger and feel it in a different way. So one of the things that many people don't realize is that when you are hungry and you get that feeling of hunger, what that means is your body is accessing the millions and millions of fat cells that we all walk around with. And those are the cells we want to use, those fat cells, when we want to use those fat cells to give us energy, because then we're using what's already on our bodies, and that means that we're going to get smaller and we're going to lose weight, and it's going to be a fabulous thing. That's what we all want. So what I want you to do is I want you to think positively about when you feel hunger. When you feel hunger, it means, oh my God, my body's accessing fat cells. Woohoo! It should be a party. It should be something that you're so very excited about. So change your thoughts. Change the way you think about that hunger, and it's going to change how you're able to not respond to it. Okay? So again, we always have to remember our thoughts dictate our feelings, that therefore dictate our actions. And one of the actions when you are feeling something is oftentimes to not do anything. Most of the time people feel like when they have a feeling of something, they have to act on it. They have to act. There has to be some sort of physical action that takes place when we have an emotion. We can just feel our emotions. And there'll definitely be a video coming about that a little bit later. But I really want you to take a new viewpoint on hunger. Don't be afraid of it. Let it come, feel it, and know that your body is doing exactly what it should be doing, exactly what you want it to be doing when you are in a place where you're eating healthy and you're looking to lose weight. So I really want you to take it and look differently. And I also want you to kind of think about, what does it really mean to me? What emotions does it bring up for me when I feel hungry? Does it make me feel abandoned? Does it make me feel sad? Does it make me feel anything other than just physically hungry? So think about that. I challenge you to think about that, and really try and embrace when you feel hungry, and don't be afraid of it, and welcome it, and know that it's doing really good things for your body. All right. If you find this video helpful, please like it. Give it a thumbs up and like the video. And I hope it's helpful, and I hope it will allow you to have a different viewpoint on hunger and not be afraid of it. All right. Take care. Have a great day.